And we now shift our attention to another breaking news response coming in. This is Union Minister Kiren Rijiju, who's dared Rahul Gandhi. He says, please do not run away. So he's essentially sent out this message to Rahul Gandhi ahead of the Prime Minister's address slated for later this evening. I want to go across to my colleague Pallavi joining us with more details. But before that, let's quickly listen into this brief comment that's coming from the Union Minister.
राहुल गांधी जी पिछले 2-3 सालों में हर समय ओबीसी, एसटी, एससी, ओबीसी ये बात करते रहते हैं। देश का सबसे बड़ा ओबीसी का चेहरा खुद प्रधानमंत्री है। वो दिखता नहीं उसको, और वो दुनिया का सबसे पॉपुलर नेता है आज के दिन में, वो दिखता नहीं है। राहुल गांधी जी अंधे हो गए क्या कि प्रधानमंत्री जी का चेहरा कोई वो दिखाई नहीं देते हैं? सबसे बड़ा ओबीसी का चेहरा है। हम खुद भी एक एसटी है, आज संसदीय कार्य मंत्री के रूप में काम कर रहा हूं। हमारे जो राज्य मंत्री अर्जुन राम मेघवाल जी जो कानून मंत्री के रूप में भी काम कर रहे हैं, वो शेड्यूल कास्ट है, वो दिखते नहीं है उसको।
Going across to Pallavi for the moment. Pallavi, you know, that's the kind of vocal criticism that's coming from Union Minister Kiren Rijiju all since last evening. And once again, he's making this appeal to Rahul Gandhi to stay around when the Prime Minister addresses the Parliament later this evening. Take us through, you know, the host of comments that have come in from him so far since Rahul Gandhi spoke in Lok Sabha yesterday.
Christine, we noticed that the Prime Minister was very much there in the House when Rahul Gandhi was speaking as an LOP, and that's the kind of parliamentary courtesy which is also extended whenever there are constitutional positions or party colleagues are speaking out, and Rahul Gandhi occupies the constitutional position. So the entire time that Rahul Gandhi was speaking, the Prime Minister was very much present in the House. Now all eyes are going to be roughly around 5 p.m. when the Prime Minister gets up to respond to his motion of thanks to the presidential speech. Will Rahul Gandhi be there? And will the rest of the Congress MPs be in full swing on their side of the bench? And will they be allowing the Prime Minister to speak? Because I remember the last time round, whenever the Prime Minister was speaking, there was constant heckling which was taking place from the Congress side. That is something, a kind of goading coming in from the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, Mr. Kiren Rijiju, who's asking this question whether you have the courage to listen to the Prime Minister's response coming at 5 p.m. Now, what are the points on which there has been a lot of anger mounted against Rahul Gandhi's speech? One, of course, is his comments on China surging ahead, and that how he has been told by the Indian Army that there has been encroachment by the Chinese which the Indian government has not been able to counter. That's one. The second, of course, when he made the point that the External Affairs Minister repeatedly begged for an audience or an attendance by Mr. Modi as far as the oath-taking ceremony of Donald Trump is concerned. Both of them have been outrightly rejected, both by the BJP and the government, and I'm sure it's going to find a way in some way or the other in the Prime Minister's response which is going to come in, which is why the BJP is also going to wait to see what kind of a response comes in from Rahul Gandhi post the PM speech, and second and more importantly, whether Rahul Gandhi will extend that political courtesy and say in the House while the Prime Minister is speaking.
Oh yes, we're going to have to wait till 5 p.m. for that. Pallavi, stay on with us.